Phil, mate, hang on. Right, ready.
Ready? Go. Now, this is G8EPR. Tickets on Thursday are $14. Van sales ended today.
Answer me about what you're about to do, Nigel.
Right. I'm going to call the control at the ham in Dayton for a signal report.
Talking in this K5HYE.
So he just started talking, didn't he?
He's changed his call sign now.
No, he didn't.
Yeah.
He took give a call through WA.
GEOFF and 8DCV.
An 8DCV.
Yeah, there's a station there calling. Go ahead. Yeah, would you go ahead and take over? I've got a long distance call. No problem. The 5 station coming in, please? Yeah, this is Kilo 5 Hotel Yankee Echo. I want to know if the bus schedule Friday and Saturday, same as it was last year, is going to stop us up at motels around Dayton Mall. This year there's no buses to the motels. They opted to do away with those to go to the main parking areas to increase the bus service and get more buses to those areas faster. If you're interested in downtown Dayton, you have Middleton's surplus, is where I would be if I was downtown Dayton. You have an area at Dayton Mall. That'll have buses there towards the front. Let's see, I'm trying to think. Yeah, where will you be located at particularly? I can tell you which one's going to be closest to you. Okay, I'm going to be, I'm at Motel 6 right behind Shawnee's.
Here it is.
That's on the east side of Dayton Mall. But last year, you know, they stopped right here in front of Shawnee's. This year, what I would do is jump in my car, drive over there to the Dayton Mall. And they have an RTA park and ride lot. State Route 725. It's on the side.
Well, no, there's only 2 coffee cups and only normally 2 people in the bedroom.
I would park there and get the bus, and that way you'll see more buses more frequently. Okay, the first one can go around about 7 o'clock. Okay, you talking about Friday morning? Roger. Yep. Yeah, I would definitely be there at 7 o'clock.
Just about the buses and where we are.
Thank you very much. K5HYE.
K5.
Welcome to the W8BI repeater control.
Dayton.
Come again, sir?
What part of Dayton downtown is the bus service?
Okay, that'll be Middleton on 1st Street.
Street, what's it called?
I'm sorry, you have a big hum in your radio there, you should know about, by the way. Yeah, that's East 1st Street. Where will you be staying at?
HYE, K5HYE.
Okay, I hope I answered your question, TV Dylan.
K5HYE, this is W8/G8TPM portable.
The portable station coming in, TV Dylan.
Yeah, K5HYE, I think the call sign is. This is W8/G8TPM portable. Yeah, I wonder if you could help me, please. We're actually staying at the Holiday Inn at Englewood.
Dayton Northwest.
Dayton Northwest. Where's the best place for us to go for a bus to get us to the rally?
Okay, since you are in Englewood, there is a Myers parking lot. If you travel south on 48 and you go under Interstate 7, you'll be there on your left. At the southern end of their big parking lot, there will be bus service right there into Myers, sir.
At what times approximately would they start?
Yeah, I wonder if you could just tell us briefly what times approximately would they start. Would that be about 6 or 7 a.m.? Go ahead.
I'm pretty sure they'll be starting at 7 a.m., sir.
Many thanks for your help. This is W8/G8TPM portable.
There you go, Nige. For sure, for sure. Now you should have told him that was my very...
The time is 7 p.m.
What was that? Oh, the time is 7 p.m. That's it, we're in. First transmission in the States. That's it. Time is 7 p.m. and the date is the 27th of April 1994. The transmission frequency. The transmission frequency is 146.940.
And you were working the net control for Hamburg.
And we were working the net control for the Dayton Hamfest, whose call sign was.
And just make a point that they open the net control 2 days before the Hamfest starts.
And they open the net control 2 days before the Hamfest starts. For talking. And the guy's call sign was K5 Hotel Yankee Echo.
Right.
My call at this time was W8/G8TPM portable or mobile or
and
whatever.
now, to celebrate this, we have
Flight.
You two have, I have. There's only 2 cooks.
Oh, as you made it, Jeff. Have you?
No, it's a shrimp.
Well,
As it's had like dead flies in, like. No, I'll still have some of it. That'll be alright.
film properly.
yeah, it's just been filtered.
Go on, it won't kill you.
It's fly
If you want me
free.
to, I will try it first.
Oh, you're spilling it, you're spilling it.
If you want me to, I will try it first.
Go on, so that we all die together.
You want me as well? You want me to?
Just drink the blood.
What's it like?
It tastes like coffee.
I thought you were going to say it tastes like.
It tastes like coffee with sugar and sugar.
Fried wings, fried droppings.
We've had the wings floating around.
No wings in that, mate.
Oh dear. We must report that when Jeff tried to make the coffee in the coffee machine, it hadn't obviously been used for a while, and there were all dead flies in the top of the machine,
In the back.
which we couldn't really wash out. So, you know, cheers.
Right, now announce that we're shutting
Oh,
down.
it's horrible.
It's not, it tastes like coffee.
Oh, try that, Dave.
No, thank you.
Go on.
No, thank you. Go on then.
Honestly, seriously.
Go on then.
Horrible.
You're still filming.
Still.
So what do you think?
We're still live, and due to the silhouette against the window, I'm filming.
I just need to report that this is March 1990.
April.
No, March 1994. Nestle Blue Bottleless.
That's right. Containing dead flies.
It doesn't actually. It doesn't contain any dead anything.
Right, we're now shutting down because we're going to have something to eat.
Are we? What, this early in the day?
Well, what are we going to do? We're going to sit here listening to this
Oh,
thing.
it's only 7
Look,
o'clock.
I agree with Bob's mate. I'm going with you.
Bob's mate. This is Bob's mate.
Oh, this is Bob's mate.
No, that's Bob's mate. I agree with you. I agree with
Just
G8EPR.
come here a minute. Bob Perry and Jack Byrne eat your heart out. We paid $1,000 to sit here, drink 2 cups of coffee, clean a coffee machine, work a repeater, and we're still 2 days in the convention.
Still 2 days from the convention, and we're going to have something to eat now anyway. Well, hopefully.
We're going down
If
to
G8EPR
Big
agrees
Boy Bob's.
What about
Big Boy Bob's.
what about a glass of Michelob?
After this,
Michelob.
after Dead
Michelob.
Really
I said
recommend
I said Michelob.
Well, actually, no. Do you want to drink it here? So I'll drink it.
No, it's horrible, Jeff.
It's not
Nothing,
horrible.
nothing to do with the flies. It's just horrible.
Fancy coffee. Do you want any more?
No.
It's vile.
I mean, I want to drink some more.
It's vile. It's horrible, Jeff.
That's like coffee, do
And there's a close-up on Jeff's belly, which is hanging rather low.
Well, I'm going to finish it off as I made it. I'm surprised to see it tastes horrible. It tastes like coffee to me. So David didn't like it either. Not really.
Anyway, the talking station is operational.
You won't hear that microphone.
You will. Oh yes, you will.
Well, have you done something?
No, because I'm right next to it. It's there, look. It's there.
Alright, if you say
The
so.
talking
You
station.
can hear
The
it.
talking station is operational 1.5 days before the rally, at least. Yeah,
Yeah.
Mr. EPR.
Yeah.
G6BAM and W8/G8TPM portable or mobile, whatever. Right, we're now going to close down temporarily.
We closed there.
Because there's no red light.
Right, we're rolling now. Now, earlier in this evening,
Go on.
as all our viewers know, we were somewhat depressed, to say the least.
Right.
So,
Now, this is the situation.
the situation is now.
It's quarter to 11.
It says 2 o'clock on here.
Well, no, that's wrong. It's quarter to 11 on the 20. What's the date?
Well, the date, hang on. Action.
Stereo's good. Very simple.
Okay, right. It's quarter to 11 on the 28th of April
1990.
1994. I'm standing in the room that we've rented for the week in the Holiday Inn in Englewood,
we know all
Dayton.
that.
Right. Sorry, it's the beer. And we've been shopping. We've been to an excellent, a very large superstore called Myers, and we've just bought some beer and some Pepsi. Now,
The stereo is fantastic on this. It's really good channel separation. You've got and a choir of singers over here doing something different. It's brilliant.
keep it on then. Right.
It's really good.
There's we bought 24 cans of Old Milwaukee for what?
$10.99.
$10.99 for 24 cans. And we also bought 24 cans of Pepsi, which cost us $5?
Yep.
$5 for 24 cans of Pepsi. And we just come back and have a drink.
And that is the size. Can you just put your hand by that?
That's the size
of a normal crisp.
That's a normal, no, potato chips.
And that cost $1.30.
$1.30, which is about what? How much?
Pound and
No, not even that.
not even a pound.
Not even a pound. Right.
And Jeff,
Nigel,
Well,
I'm impressed. The sensitivity is excellent.
that means you're going to buy one tomorrow night.
Probably, yeah. What model's this?
Yeah. See the cans?
Cans and that. Now the channel separation is absolutely incredible on this thing.
tell them how much this costs then, Nige.
Right, we have a Sony Walkman there which cost $53.21 with the sales tax. And I'm now going to work out what $53.21 is exactly. Right, here goes with the old calculator.
Little piece of protective stuff in here you should have to take out.
Just pull it out then. I'm not bothered setting it anyway, am I?
Action.
Right, okay, let's start again. That Walkman cost $53.21 with the sales tax. Now if I divide that by 1.44, which is roughly the exchange rate, roughly, we get a figure of £36.95.
And how much are they in Great Britain?
Well, I'm not really sure on that model, but I've got a feeling it could be 50. But that's cost £36.95, £37.
These are about 58 quid, these off one.
I'm not sure on that model.
I'm telling you they are.
Anyway,
You saved quite a bit of money by this there.
£36.95.